Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hi guys, this is a video for a Skoda Superb Estate SportLine 1.5 DSG automatic, finished in quartz grey metallic. As you can see, it's got the SportLine accent, so it's got the black grille, black roof bars, as well as the wing mirrors. This one's got front LED lights as well as front and rear sensors. Optional extras on this car include the alloys as well as a virtual cockpit on the interior. As standard, you have keyless entry all the way around. Front and rear sports style seats, finished in Alcantara and part leather, as well as the SportLine accents and the colour bar which runs on the dash all the way onto the doors in the rear. As you can see, you've got loads of room in the back, being a Superb, so it will keep your passengers nice and happy on a long motorway journey. You've also got the chrome trims at the back for the exhausts, a electronic tailgate, and you've got compartments underneath for all your storage. Now this one doesn't come with a spare wheel, but it does have the tyre compression kit. This will come with an umbrella, an ice scraper, front electric seat with memory function, and if we get inside, it's got a virtual cockpit as well. Now in the cockpit, you can see you've got a nice virtual cockpit there, which you can change about as well if you want to, so you can see different options. You can also have it in different views as well. This one comes with automatic lights as well as adaptive cruise control. Massive touchscreen with DAB, FM and AM radio, as well as Bluetooth for your phone and Wi-Fi. Smart link as well if you've got an Apple iPhone or an Android phone with Android Auto and mirror link capabilities. This one has got built-in satellite navigation just in case. Dual climate control zones with heated seats, heated front seats, and down here you've got the DSG gear stick with mode selection, so you can have eco, normal, sport or individual. Electronic tailgate, start stop as well with hold assist. And this being a Superb, you get loads of cubby holes and the glove box as well, which is cooled, as well as the center console being cooled as well, so you can keep all your snacks in there on a long journey and it won't ruin basically. This one will come with a dash cam because it's a ex-demo. SOS breakdown and information assist as well. There you go. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. For further information, please contact us on 0208 686 8844. Many thanks guys, take care, bye bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.